is Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. So lately on my Instagram I have been receiving several comments and messages about what to do for hair root pain. Now hair root pain might sound strange to some of you, but for those who actually get to experience it, it is the worst thing ever because you hardly get to tie your hair, oil, or even touch your hair. So in this video we will discuss in detail that what exactly is hair root pain, why does this happen, and how to get rid of it naturally. So make sure that you watch this video till the end and also very carefully. First thing first, let's quickly understand that what does hair root pain mean. Some people experience this painful tingling sensation that varies from mild to severe on the hair roots while trying to touch the hair or even brush it. Talking about what may be causing them, now there are several reasons that cause such hair root pain. First is tying the hair too tightly and keeping it pulled back for long hours.
Women serving in the security forces, front office, or even in the hospitality sector are required to tie the hair tightly all day long. This stretches the hair to an extent that the nerves at the roots of the hair get inflamed. Celebrity entertainer Ariana Grande, known for carrying her signature high ponytail all the time, has talked about how her hair pains at the end of the day.
All hair colors are made of several chemicals, and if you think that your hair color is natural because the brand claims so, then you need to have a good look at the ingredients and you would know that what I'm talking about. Also, being ammonia free does not make your hair color safe. Interestingly, ammonia is advertised as the most damaging ingredient in a hair color, but sadly there are other extremely toxic ingredients that are still present in your hair color, and they're applied directly on your scalp. Number one is PPD. Just Google about it and you would know how adversely does it affect your hair. And the other one is barium. Now it is widely used in black henna or hijab. Now these toxins irritate the scalp and inflate the nerves that are resting beneath the scalp surface.
As a consequence, these inflated and irritated nerves cause the hair roots to pain.
The third reason is not washing the hair regularly and properly. Frankly, there are instances when we don't find time to wash the hair, and especially this happens with those who have a very hectic work schedule. So they simply stick to dry shampoos and avoid getting the hair washed as long as they can. The natural oils present in the scalp along with different hair products become a breeding ground for bacteria and thus causing irritation and inflammation in the scalp. The next important reason for hair root pain is an undernourished scalp. The more dry and parched your scalp remains, the more dehydrated your hair strands get, which results in weaker hair. I highly recommend that an optimum moisture level is maintained in the scalp through proper oiling and conditioning. Now the good news is that in majority of cases, the problem of hair root pain can easily be treated by following a few simple tips. Keep your hair loosely tied or in a comfortable style. On returning from work, just let your hair down and let the muscles relax. Keep the scalp well nourished and dandruff free. The best is to apply a cold pressed Ayurvedic natural oil. I would highly recommend this one. This is the cold pressed pure natural Bhringraj oil with coconut oil and sesame. This is by Soulflower.
Coconut oil deeply nourishes the scalp and hydrates the hair, while sesame oil fights bacterial and fungal activities in the roots. Bhringraj is the queen herb and has miraculous hair strengthening powers. Why am I specifically recommending this oil is because this combines the benefits of coconut, Bhringraj and sesame together. Bhringraj also helps with weak root fortification and arresting hair fall. Though this is a powerful oil in itself, I am going to make it even more strong and potent by infusing it with rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is known to relax the inflated hair nerves and calm the scalp down. Rosemary essential oil is also very helpful with new hair growth. So here I am using the Soulflower's rosemary essential oil. Adding a few drops to the Bhringraj oil, as essential oils should never be used alone or directly on hair and skin. If the pain is severe, you may use a cotton ball like so to gently apply the Bhringraj and rosemary oil on the scalp instead of using your fingers. This oil combination is suitable for both men and women and can anyway be used for hair growth and hair thickening. I have linked all these products in the description box so you can check them out, and also make sure that you avail the discounts by using my coupon code. After the oil application, braid the hair loosely.
Avoid using unnecessary hair and styling products, and if you can, give your hair a break from coloring as well. Also, keep your scalp clean and healthy. Wash your hair at least twice a week using a mild shampoo. Last but most important is to eat foods that are naturally rich in vitamin E, vitamin B12 and vitamin B7, that is biotin.
Foods like banana, eggs, strawberries, spinach are rich in vitamin B12 and B7. They fortify the hair roots and make them strong to resist any kind of inflammation or irritation.
So guys, by following these tips, you should be able to control your hair root pain problem. But if your problem still persists, then I would recommend that you see a doctor for a proper clinical diagnosis. And if you found this video useful, make sure that you share it with your friends. You never know who could you be helping. Also, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have left all the handles here on the screen and also in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get a notification for all new videos. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.